Hello class, this is Catherine again. Today we are going to learn about the linking sounds. In English, when we talk about linking, we refer to the way of joining the pronunciation of two words so that they are easy to pronounce and flow together smoothly. There are different ways of linking sound in English. Consonants to vowels linking, vowel to vowel linking, and linking R. Let's see. Consonant to vowel linking. The first linking case occurs when a word ends in a consonant and the next one begins with a vowel sound. We write this phrasal verb in this way: turn off, but we pronounce it like this: turn off. So we join the end of the word turn with the letter O of the word off. Let's look at some examples. Stop it. And we read stop it. I need it. We read it I need it. Play a song. Play a song. Read a book. Read a book. Vowel to vowel linking. Another important linking case is when certain vowels come next to each other and extra sound is added to make the link smooth. In other words, when a word ends in vowel and the next one begins with a vowel sound, we add an extra sound to make the pronunciation easier. In this case, we insert a Y sound at the beginning of the next word. We write this sentence like this: the end, but we pronounce it like this: the end. Look at these two more examples. We write pay all, but we pronounce pay all. We write lie on, but we pronounce it lay on. Okay? Let's look at some examples. He asked me for 2 apples. Here, there are links between he asked and 2 apples. You can link 2 vowel sounds like this. Add a consonant sound in the middle of the connected sound. You can add W or U, depending on the 2 vowel sound. For example, 2 apples. We link the sound with W. For example, 2 apples. 2 apples. He asked. We link the sound with U. He asked. Okay? Linking R. The linking R sound in English is an extra sound that we use between 2 words when we are connecting these 2 words together. If we pronounce the 2 words separately, we do not use an R sound between them, but if we pronounce them together, we say an R sound between the words because it makes the word easier to pronounce quickly. For example, 4 eggs, and we read 4 eggs. Sir Edward, Sir Edward. Here again, here again. Weather example, weather example. Okay, class, that's all for today. Let's see you in the next